Why do some people accumulate wealth effortlessly while others struggle? The classic book, The Richest Man in Babylon, has the answers. Its timeless, straightforward financial wisdom is just as relevant today as it was thousands of years ago. By following the lessons of Arcad, Babylon's richest man, you'll learn powerful principles that can transform your financial life. In this video, I'll break down Arcad's key lessons and show you how to apply them for achieving financial success. Let's dive into it. Pillar 1. The 7 steps for building wealth. These 7 steps are the foundation of Arcad's teachings and give you a clear, practical path for achieving financial freedom. Step 1. Save first. The first and the most powerful rule is this: pay yourself first. Arcad advises, for every 10 coins you earn, save at least 1 and spend 9. This means committing to save at least 10% of your income. Let's break it down. If you earn $3,000 a month, setting aside just $300 means you're building your future. In 1 year, you'll have $3,600 saved up. And after 5 years, that amount grows to $18,000. So consistency is the key here. Regular saving builds a strong financial foundation, giving you the flexibility to invest and seize future opportunities. Saving isn't just about putting money aside. It's about giving your future self more freedom, if that makes sense. Step 2. Control your spending. Just saving money isn't enough if you are spending it carelessly. Once you've mastered the art of saving, the next important step is to manage your spending. Arcad warns that it's easy to confuse wants with needs, leading to unnecessary expenses. For example, $5 coffee every day might seem small, but it adds up to $1,825 over a year. Careless spending habits can prevent you from accumulating wealth. For example, frequent dining out at fancy restaurants or buying luxury clothing can quickly drain your savings. To avoid this, we have to know the difference between needs and wants. Needs are essentials like housing and foods, while wants are extra like dining out or designer clothes. Create a budget that tracks your spending and helps you stay within 90% of your income. By cutting out unnecessary expenses and directing at least 10% of your income towards savings, you'll build a stronger financial foundation. This discipline reinforces the foundation you built with your saving habits and makes sure your wealth building efforts are on the right track. Step 3. Multiply the money. Now comes the exciting part, making your money work for you. Saving alone won't make you rich. To truly grow your wealth, you need to invest and create passive income, money that grows while you sleep. Think of investing like owning a chicken that lays eggs. Those eggs hatch into more chickens, which lay even more eggs. This cycle keeps multiplying, just like smart investments. Stocks, real estate, bonds, or even starting a business. These are all ways to multiply your money. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. For example, if you invest $10,000 at an annual return of 10% when you're 20, it will grow a lot over time. By the time you're 30, it will reach about $26,000. At 40, it will be around $67,000. About $174,000 at 50, around $453,000 at 60, and by the age of 70, it will be worth about $1,174,000. That's the power of compound interest. The longer your money works for you, the more it grows. So the key is to start early and let time do the heavy lifting. Step 4. Protect your wealth. As you grow your wealth, it becomes crucial to protect it. Arcad warns against risky investments that promise huge returns without fully understanding the risks involved. Always protect your principal. That's your #1 rule. Let's take Bernie Madoff's Ponzi scheme for example. Thousands of people lost their life savings because they chased the high returns without even understanding the risks. The lesson? If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Before investing, always ask yourself, is my money safe? Am I taking unnecessary risks? One wrong investment is all it takes to wipe out years of hard-earned savings. So the takeaway is this: always prioritize safety over flashy promises. Step 5. Invest in a home. Arcad teaches that one of the smartest investments you can make is owning your own home. Renting might seem easy, but it doesn't build wealth. When you rent, you're paying someone else's mortgage. But when you own, your payments build equity, an asset that grows in value. For example, if you rent an apartment for $1,500 a month, after 10 years, you'll have spent $180,000 with nothing to show for it. But if you buy a home, those payments build an asset that appreciates in value over time. Owning a home not only provides financial stability, but also helps reducing your living costs and grows your wealth in the long run. Step 6. Secure future income. As you age, your ability to work may decrease, so it's important to secure a reliable source of income for your later years. Arcad advises to plan ahead to ensure financial stability for yourself and your family, even after you're gone. And some ways to do this is by contributing to your retirement accounts, like 401k or IRA, and investing in stock indices like the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index or S&P 500. For example, if you invest $300 into a stock index with an average return of 10%. After 30 years, you could have around $630,000. That's the power of consistent saving and investing over time. This step isn't just about retirement. It's about securing your family's financial future, making sure they're protected even if something happens to you. Step 7. Increase your earning potential. ARCAT teaches that gaining knowledge and increasing your skill is key to increasing your earning potential. The more valuable you become, the more opportunities open up. Let's just say you start with entry-level coding skills, earning $50,000 a year. But with more experience and expertise, you could potentially be making over 6 figures within a few years. Financial success isn't just about saving or investing. It's also about continually improving your ability to earn more. Lifelong learning is the key to unlocking new opportunities and maximizing your potential. Peter 2, How to Create Luck. An old Babylonian proverb says, "If a man be lucky, there is no foretelling the possible extent of his good fortune. Pitch him into Euphrates, and like as not, he will swim out with a pearl in his hand." Luck can sometimes bring unexpected success, as a lucky person often finds opportunity that others miss. ARCAT says that luck is created when action meets opportunity. Financial success isn't just about being lucky. Luck favors those who take action when opportunities arise. Luck doesn't happen by chance. It rewards decisive action. Procrastination, however, is the enemy of luck because delaying decisions can cause you to miss opportunities. ARCAT tells a story of a livestock trader who had a chance to buy a flock of animals at a great price one night. But instead of acting quickly, he waited until the morning. By then, other buyers had arrived and the price shot up, causing him to lose huge profit. The lesson here is that those who act quickly and decisively are better positioned to seize opportunities. When opportunities show up, it's important to be thoughtful but take action quickly. Hesitation often leads to regret, while acting quickly, even in uncertain situations, can create luck leading to potential success. So it's not enough to just recognize opportunities. You must seize them. And when you do, the goddess of luck will reward your action, according to the richest man in Babylon. Alright, let's do a quick recap. The 7 steps for building wealth. Save first. Commit to saving at least 10% of your income. Control your spending. Cut out unnecessary expenses and stick to a budget. Multiply your money. Invest wisely to make your money grow. Protect your wealth. Avoid high-risk investments and safeguard your principal. Invest in a home. Owning property builds equity and long-term financial security. Secure future income. Plan ahead for retirement and future financial needs. Increase your earning potential. Invest in your own growth to increase your income over time. And remember, luck isn't just about chance. It rewards those who take decisive action when opportunities show up. So be ready to seize the moment. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe for more insights like this.